Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on Midgame Tactics. This will be chapter 10 from the book Basic Midgame Tactics that was previously available on the old Xiangqi Federation website. So without further ado, let us do a simple analysis of the situation. Now before we begin, this example was a little bit flawed, but nevertheless it does show some important themes in this example. Okay, red would have full guard, one cannon, one chariot, one cannon and one horse, one pawn. Black would have one chariot, two horses, and two pawns and a full guard. Now it will be red's turn to move. So red has a central cannon that has pinned the black king to the central file. The chariot would deny the king from moving out. However, black's threat of the horse over here is quite significant, and how can red survive this situation or increase his advantage? Because once the black pawn is pushed across the river, black would have slowly gained the advantage. So the first move would be to play h8 plus 9, which is okay. Black would play h6 plus 7 to try to get material, because now if the central cannon was dislodged, red would have a winning position. But how can red attack? Now this would be the key move for this puzzle. Red will sacrifice the chariot for a check, forcing the king out. And then he will go h9 plus 8 to deliver a check and block the elephant at the same time. Now at this point in time, black can only move k4 plus 1. He cannot move k4 equals to 5 because this will be an immediate checkmate. And once the king was moved here, red would play c5 equals to 9, threatening to checkmate. Now in the book it was said that red would have a winning position, but unfortunately this is a flawed conclusion, because black could offer his chariot as sacrifice. Now after sacrificing material, he could move his king to safety, and you still have the pawn advantage. So it will be too early to tell, but nevertheless, the idea shown in this puzzle would be the theme shown would be very nice. So maybe if we were to move the chariot over here a little bit, black would have a winning position. So this is a very short example. It's a little bit flawed, but the theme is quite educational, and I hope you've enjoyed this short video. So if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you.